Okay. Here, Betty Street. Okay, this is your house. That's your house. Outside namin and the Betty Street. There. That's the outside. They are currently downloading. So that's Tatay doing that. Okay, I'm here. Oh, now I'm here at here and it's very hot. Okay. This one is doing the Raba. Okay, this area, that one is the one I'm telling you about. We should do something about it because it's rock place and this is that area that is with plants there. Okay, now we'll start here. There's still a window that's not yet. Okay, this is the main door. They already put the hamba. That's the main door. This area will be your garage. This one we will put the roof there, the mini roof for your porch. And that area will be your garden. Mario! Mario! Dito ba sa area na to, ano ilalagay mo? Trellis na lang? Mako-covered ba yung bintana? Mako-covered yung bintana nun? Yung ampiyas? Kasi mababasa eh. So, trellis na lang. Ito na lang bububungan. So, ito yung grahe niya, diba? So, now, that's the wall. In the grahe, you have a window sa grahe, and this is your main door. Okay, I will enter to the side kasi may mga kahoy dyan. Oh. This is the pasaway. May papapulis na natin. Yan, pasaway yan. Okay. This is your place. No more wood. Okay. Mario, saan yung pinakang nook niya? Saan yung nook? So, facing sa sala. So, ang nook mo pala is here. On that side. There. Tapos yung L-shape na kitchen, yan, L-shape. Okay, that is your living room. That's from the main door, okay. And then, kita ka agad yung pinakang kitchen. That is your living room. Saan ang dining room niya? Saan ang pinakang table dito? This is your dining. And that's your going to your lanay. That one. Swing door, Mario, lanay. And that one is the...
sabi ko kanya, buo na lang ngayon yung niya.
CR. That's the CR downstairs. Look. The window of the CR. That's the CR downstairs. They're putting pa kahoy kasi they will put slab na on your stairs. So this will be your stairs. 13 steps ba to? 13 step, 30 meters. 0.30. Ha? 0.30. Kasama pa dun yung landing?
Kasama landing, perfect.
Okay, that's your steps. So that is your window. Nabawasan na ba yung bintana na yan? Hindi pa? Hindi pa. So babawasan natin ng around one hollow block. No? Dadagdagan ng 1 hollow block on top. Para malaki ng cabinet. Okay, I'm going up. up. This is your stairs. Okay, this is your stairs. Here we will put Mari, ano to? Bakal na may handrail na lang.
Ano sabi sir?
There. Bakal na may handrail. Pati doon hawakan sa pababang ganon. Wood yung handrail niya. Wood. Okay. Now, this is the entrance of your masters. So, this is your masters. You saw that already. Yan. Okay. Terrace. There is terrace. Facing the Sierra Avenue. Okay. This one is your CR again. Up to here. Okay, so meron na siyang in between. Teka. There is your walk-in closet. Walk-in closet. And there.
Yeah, mamaya na ako na.
Here is the family hall. This is the small toilet. The small toilet.
Dito, dito, ha. Bali, sa may vertical na to.
That's the small toilet. And this one is the hallway. This will be the room of David. Has 2 windows. And butas ng aircon. So this is the area of David's room. Okay? David's room. There. That's David's room. And this is the maid's room. This is the door. There. O, tawa! Ngiti! Putting up the walls. There. Okay, this is David's maid's room. There. One window. And from here to there. Okay. Hindi ko nadala yung extra space ko. This is the old one. So, may lang muna. Da-download ko muna to later sa SM mo. This is the CR. Oh, that's the trusses. Oh. They're putting up the truss. Ido-double ko daw yan. Okay, from that area, yan yung ginagawang beam. Yan. Dudugtong up to that point. Para this area, yung pinakamataas will be your loft. Pero the entrance will be in here. Inside the toilet. Okay. It's very hot. Finish na the video. Ito naman sa area namin, wala pang masyadong nangyari. Except for the... And may wall na rin. And... Okay. Later they will do that. So I will go back here and for that one habang binibigyan yung video ko. Diba na muna tayo? Going down now. Okay, finish na the video.